Recently, the crypto market has looked very scary. The value of all coins, including xrp+ripple, has dropped a lot. But believe me, this is just the beginning of the storm. If Ripple wins its case against the SEC, this is likely the last chance to get xrp+ripple coins at such low prices. That's pretty cool, right? You can't miss that sign that the market is going up. Let's get started. Nota bene, the current court case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission has taken a new turn that has crypto fans and people outside of crypto fans very interested. This high-stakes case has been closely watched because it could set a precedent in the cryptocurrency industry. Things took a big turn when Ripple tried to use a recent court decision from a different case to support its own defense. Judge Amy Jackson threw out the SEC's claims last week that sales of Binance's BNB token on the secondary market were the same thing as buying stocks. Additionally, Ripple was aware of this choice and saw an opening to improve its position. In a notice of supplemental authority, Ripple used the decision to argue that the alleged illegal sales of XRP do not warrant the harsh penalties the SEC is demanding. This supports Ripple's claim that making it clear whether the different types of XRP sales were legal was the most important part of the court's summary judgment decision, the letter from Ripple says. It also says that the fact that regulations weren't clear before the decision backs up Ripple's claim that the violations found by the court don't show willful disregard for the law, so they don't need harsh punishments. Ripple made it clear that the SEC's lawsuit against the company did not even say that the company was careless. The SEC, on the other hand, moved quickly to stop Ripple. On July 3rd, the commission sent a formal statement saying that the Binance decision had nothing to do with the Ripple case. The SEC said that Ripple picks out one point from the nearly 90 pages of the Binance ruling and tries to draw conclusions about how well the SEC's litigation approach works based on that point. What the court said about the SEC's actions in response to a motion to dismiss doesn't say anything about Ripple's actions or the right way to fix the problems this court found. The market, especially the price of XRP, has been strongly affected by this court battle. During the course of the case, the cryptocurrency has gone through a lot of changes. After Judge Torres said that Ripple's automated sales to secondary trading platforms were not offers of investment contracts, the value of XRP went up by more than 70% last summer. Recently, though, things have not been going so well for XRP. The value of the product has dropped significantly, trading at 45 cents, which is the lowest level in more than a month. This is a 7% drop in just one day. They are not scared at all by this price drop, though. Even though the court case is still confusing, they think xrp+ripple coin will grow a lot. The next big move could be right around the corner. This has a lot of promise. You really can't miss this. You'll lose it when you see what comes next. XRP has changed a lot in the last 24 hours. It is now the 7th most valuable cryptocurrency by market value. XRP has gotten a lot of attention, even though the market as a whole has been selling off, causing $321 million worth of digital assets to be liquidated. Data shows that a huge $1.55 billion worth of XRP has been traded during this time, which is a 63% rise in trading rates. The cryptocurrency market is under a lot of pressure to sell, which is why there is a lot of movement around XRP right now. Many people have had to sell their cryptocurrencies because of the recent drop in value. In the past day alone, $321 million has been lost across various cryptocurrencies. Because of the high level of instability and sharp drops in prices, the market has become a battleground for both fear-driven liquidations and quick purchases. The large increase in the number of trades in XRP shows that traders and buyers are very interested in the currency. On the one hand, it's possible that some are getting rid of their positions to avoid losing even more money in the unstable market. On the other hand, some people see cheaper prices as a chance to buy, hoping to build up their assets during the downturn. Because of these changes, XRP has become a hub for market action. Notably, there has been a lot of talk and discussion on social media about XRP. Some well-known people in the crypto world have been making big predictions and getting holders to back them up. For example, xrp+ripple wrote, "In the same way Jack the Rippler told the community to like your post, even if you're not selling any XRP, while Ripple Lord said, repost if you have more than 1,000 XRP. In a separate tweet, xrp+ripple said, XRP season is coming, $10 is programmed, which shows that fans are very optimistic. Even though the market as a whole is unstable, these words show that people in the XRP community are positive and strong." There is a lot of talk and more trade going on about XRP, which suggests that a lot of people think it will grow a lot, even though there are problems right now. When you think about these events, it's clear that XRP is navigating a tricky landscape of market opinion. The market is where it is now because of a mix of fear and greed, which shows that there are big risks and big gains possible. The future of XRP is still a very hot topic of discussion and speculation among traders and buyers. Ripple won't stop there, though. The story of our favorite coin is much more interesting than you might think. You can't miss this sign that prices are going up. You will not believe what happens next. Stay tuned to find out about the exciting new things happening with XRP and its bright future. As Monica Long, president of Ripple, pointed out, XRP's long-term status in the top 10 cryptocurrencies makes it a good candidate for inclusion in an exchange-traded fund. Due to XRP's wide range of uses beyond standard cryptocurrencies, this prospect has gotten a lot of attention from both investors and cryptocurrency fans. XRP Ripple is different from other digital assets because it's the only one whose Ripplenet network makes it possible for fast and cheap cross-border trades. XRP is not like Bitcoin, which uses proof of work to make transactions. Instead, it uses a consensus ledger, which makes transfers almost instantaneous and costs very little. Because it is so efficient, it has teamed up with big banks and payment providers, showing that it could be used as a bridge currency in global banking. An exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is a type of investment that lets people gain exposure to an underlying object or index without actually owning it. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges just like stocks, and they offer the same liquidity and freedom. With the addition of an XRP ETF, the cryptocurrency could become much easier for traditional investors to understand and trust, especially those who are hesitant to buy and store digital assets directly. The possible acceptance of an XRP ETF could be good for the Ripple ecosystem in many ways. First, it would give both institutional and individual users a safe and well-known way to invest in XRP, which could increase demand and liquidity. This extra money in the market could help keep XRP's price stable and lower its volatility, making it a better choice for international deals and as a way to store value. Adoption around the world is another important reason in XRP Ripple's growth potential. It's possible that the need for XRP as a bridge currency will grow a lot as more banks and payment providers use Ripple's technology to make international payments easier. This wide use of XRP would not only prove that it is useful, but it would also raise its value as a key player in the digital market. What these changes mean for people who own XRP is very important. A growing environment that is helped by the use of ETFs and their use around the world could cause prices to rise significantly and create long-term value. XRP could also become a more valuable asset in diversified trading portfolios if it is used and adopted by more people. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.